Guide to Safe Fax. Fax. Question. Do you have to be married to have a safe fax? Answer. Although married people fax quite often, there are many single people who fax complete strangers every day. Question. My parents say they never had fax when they were young, and they were only allowed to write memos to each other until they were 21. How old do you think someone should be before they can fax? Answer. Faxing can be performed at any age, once you learn the correct procedure. Question. If I fax something to myself, will I go blind? Answer. Certainly not, as far as we can see. Question. There are places on our street where you can go and pay for fax. Is it legal? Answer. Yes, many people have no other outlet for their fax drives and may pay a professional, in brackets, when their needs to fax become too great. Should a cover always be used for faxing? Cover. Answer. Unless you are really sure of the one you are faxing. A cover sheet should be used to ensure safe fax. Question. What happens when I do a procedure incorrectly and fax prematurely? Answer. Don't panic. Many people prematurely fax when they haven't faxed in a long time. Just start over. Most people won't mind if you try again. Answer. Question. I have a personal and business fax. Can transmissions become mixed up? Answer. Being bifactual can be confusing, but as long as you use a cover sheet with each one, you won't transmit anything you are not supposed to.